In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a custom position in chess.com. Whether you're preparing for a match or simply exploring different strategic scenarios, setting a custom position can be a game changer. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to create your own custom chess setup. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to chess.com. This is your go-to platform for all things chess, whether you're a beginner or an experienced player preparing a unique challenge. Once the site has loaded, look over to the left middle corner of the page and find the login option. Click on it to start the process of accessing your account. If you have a chess.com account, simply type in your username and password in the specified fields. Haven't memorized the login details? No problem at all. If you registered using Google, Apple or Facebook, you can easily log in using one of these services by clicking the corresponding button. Personally, I prefer using my Google account for quick access, so if that's your choice too, select it. Once you're logged in, you'll want to kick off the fun by clicking play. This will take you to a range of playing options. Among these, click on Play Online to set your game in motion. You will come across various categories for gameplay. Here's where we tailor the game to our liking by selecting Custom. This option allows you to configure the board exactly as you want. What makes this feature even more engaging is the ability to choose custom position odds, so click on that choice to start setting up a unique position against your opponent. At this point, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the term Auto Balance. Click this drop-down to find the Setup Position option, which facilitates precise control over the pieces. You're now in the Position Customization interface. Here, unleash your strategic instincts by arranging the pieces as you see fit. Feel free to experiment with unconventional arrangements. The sky's the limit when it comes to creativity here. With your board ready, it's time to send the challenge. Go ahead and fill in the opponent field with the name of the person you wish to challenge. With your custom setup ready to dazzle, click on play and take a deep breath, waiting for your opponent to accept the challenge. And there you have it. You're all set for a unique game, armed with a custom chess position that can surprise even the savviest competitors. Whether you're sharpening tactics or just having fun, custom setups on chess.com provide endless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and get ready to make your next chess match a memorable one.